Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to reactivate your locked Steam community market in just a few minutes. First, open your Steam app and log in with your account name and password. Next, click the community tab at the top of the page, then select market. If your access is restricted, you'll need to interact with the market to lift the lock. You have two options: purchase a game, go to the store tab, find a game you like, click add to cart, and complete the purchase. Add funds to your Steam wallet. Click your profile name, select account details, then choose add funds and follow the prompts. Once the transaction is complete, your market access should be restored. And that's it. You've successfully reactivated your Steam community market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.